Projectors are incredible tools for both entertainment and work, but carrying them safely can often be a challenge. That's where the USA Gear projector carrying case steps in, designed to keep your projector protected, organized, and travel-ready no matter where you go. At first glance, this case stands out with its professional, minimalist design. It measures 15 by 12 by 3 inches, making it compact yet large enough to fit most projectors from brands like Epson, BenQ, and others. It doesn't feel bulky, which is great for people who prefer lightweight travel gear. The interior is what truly makes this case special. It's fully customizable with padded dividers that you can rearrange to fit your projector and accessories perfectly. This layout flexibility is ideal for people with different setups, whether you carry cables, remotes, HDMI cords, or a small Bluetooth speaker. Everything gets its own protected compartment, reducing the chance of scratches or movement during transport. The inner lining is soft and scratch-resistant, ensuring that your projector stays in top condition over time. The outer shell adds durability, offering resistance against bumps, dust, and light impacts. Together, they create a strong balance of softness and strength, giving complete peace of mind when you're on the move. One of the small but important details is the smooth zipper system. It feels premium and reliable, securing the case fully without snagging or loosening. The carrying handle adds to the convenience, offering a solid grip for easy transportation. You can tell the build quality has been carefully thought out. It's sturdy without feeling heavy. Inside, there's also a dedicated space for cables and adapters, so no more digging around to find what you need. This level of organization is perfect for those who travel often for business presentations, client meetings, or movie nights with friends. It helps you stay ready and organized at all times. Another thing worth mentioning is the overall aesthetic. It doesn't scream tech bag. Instead, it looks sleek and professional, easily blending into any setup, whether you're at the office, on the road, or at home. The clean black finish gives it a timeless appeal, fitting well with any tech gear you own. What makes this projector case even better is its adaptability. As technology evolves and you switch between devices, the adjustable compartments can be rearranged for new gadgets. That flexibility adds long-term value since it won't become outdated after one upgrade. This is more than just a case. It's a reliable companion that makes traveling with projectors simple, safe, and efficient. It helps protect your investment, keeps everything organized, and adds a professional touch to how you carry your gear. Whether you're a student, business traveler, or home cinema enthusiast, this case provides the ideal combination of durability, design, and practicality. If protecting your projector matters to you, this USA Gear carrying case is a smart choice. It's built to last, looks great, and offers customizable protection for all your essential projector equipment. Hi everyone, if you want to buy this USA Gear projector carrying case with customizable scratch-resistant interior and HDMI projector compatibility for Epson, BenQ, and more, then please visit the link provided in the description.